Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wished your iPhone could do more for you, like handle daily tasks automatically or save you precious time, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of iPhone shortcuts. Whether you're a total beginner or just curious about what your phone is truly capable of, I'll show you how to unlock features you never knew you had. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to transform your iPhone from just a device into your own personal assistant. Ready to see what your phone can really do? Let's get started. Let's talk about that device in your hand, your iPhone. It's a supercomputer, but most of us only use a fraction of its power. We text, call, scroll, and snap photos, but rarely tap into its real potential. Apple actually gives us tools to make our phones work for us, not just distract us. We adapt to the phone's defaults instead of making it adapt to us. Imagine automating your daily repetitive tasks with a single tap or no tap at all. This isn't about coding, it's about using what's already built in. Your iPhone can streamline your routines, clear digital clutter, and give you back time. It's time to stop being a passive user and start commanding your technology. Let's unlock the most underrated app on your phone. The app I'm talking about is Shortcuts. It's pre-installed, but most people ignore it because it looks intimidating. But Shortcuts is for everyone. It's visual, not code. Think of it like building with Legos. Each block is a simple action. Stack actions together, and you can create powerful custom routines. Shortcuts acts as a bridge between your apps, letting them work together. Instead of jumping between apps, you can automate multi-step tasks in one go. It's your personal command center for one-tap solutions. Once you get the concept, stacking simple instructions, the app becomes empowering. It's not just for techies, it's for anyone who wants more from their phone. Today, we'll walk through how to use it. You'll see how easy it is to take control. Let's dive in. Open Shortcuts and you'll see three main sections. My Shortcuts is your personal collection, your custom control panel. Organize, color code, and add shortcuts to your home screen for quick access. The gallery is where you find pre-built shortcuts for inspiration. Browse, add, and reverse engineer them to learn how they work. Automation is where the magic happens. Shortcuts that run automatically based on triggers. For example, turn on low power mode at 20% battery or play a podcast when you connect to your car. These sections work together. Find ideas in the gallery, customize in My Shortcuts, automate in automation. My Shortcuts is what you have, gallery is what you can get, automation makes it all run in the background. Understanding this layout is your first step. Now, let's build something. Every shortcut is just a stack of actions. Commands your iPhone executes in order. Actions can be simple, like get current date, or more complex, like find photos taken last week. You're the director. Search for actions and add them to your workflow. Example, your morning routine. Get the weather, check your calendar, play your focus playlist, all with one tap. Or create a custom low battery mode, turn on low power, set brightness low, turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Privacy mode, one tap turns on do not disturb locks into photos and mutes volume before you hand your phone to a friend. By stacking simple actions, you solve real problems and create new features. This is the magic of shortcuts, building routines that fit your life. You don't need to code, just stack, tweak, and run. The possibilities are endless. Start small, experiment, and see what you can automate. Let's build your first shortcut together. Ready? Let's build a wind down mode shortcut for your evenings. Open shortcuts, tap the plus to start a new shortcut. First action, play calming music, choose your favorite playlist. Next, add set focus to turn on do not disturb. Add set appearance to switch to dark mode for your screen. Finally, add create alarm for the morning. Set a time or let it prompt you. Name your shortcut, wind down mode, and pick an icon. Now, with one tap or a Siri command, your phone sets the mood for sleep. You've just automated your evening routine. No coding, just stacking actions. Try running it tonight and see how it feels. This is just one example. Customize it to fit your needs. The more you use shortcuts, the more ideas you'll have. Let's talk about automation next. Automation is where your iPhone gets truly smart. It saves time, manages your attention, and boosts privacy all in the background. Automate repetitive tasks to reclaim small pockets of time. Set up automations to protect your focus, like turning on Do Not Disturb at work or switching to grayscale in distracting apps. Use automation for privacy. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you leave home, or clear your clipboard after using sensitive apps. These background processes make your phone work for you, not against you. Personal automation is about intentionality, deciding how your tech behaves. You set the rules, not your notifications. This control is liberating. Your phone becomes a tool for productivity, presence, and privacy. Let's look at more shortcut ideas. Once you build a shortcut or two, ideas will start flowing. For your commute, a shortcut that gets directions, plays a podcast, and texts your ETA. For the gym, one tap to start a workout playlist, launch your fitness app, and silence notifications. For communication, a running late shortcut that texts meeting attendees, or a family check-in that sends a group message for work. A focus mode that closes social apps, sets do not disturb, opens your to-do list, and starts a Pomodoro timer. The goal, automate any repetitive, multi-step process in your digital life. Ask yourself, can I build a shortcut for this? The answer is almost always yes. Now, let's talk about sharing your creations. Now, you know the basics. So, here's your challenge. Build one shortcut. Start small. Automate a daily task that takes a few taps. Once you've built it, share it online in the comments or with friends. Explain what it does and why you made it. Your shortcut could help someone else solve the same problem. Sharing ideas helps everyone get better with their tech. Don't worry about perfection, experiment, and tweak as you go. The Shortcuts app is your playground. Build something that saves you time or just makes you smile, then come back and share your masterpiece. Today, you learned how to unlock your iPhone's hidden power with shortcuts. It's not just for developers, it's your personal workshop for making your phone better. The wind down mode is just the beginning. Every shortcut is a step toward a smoother day. Next time you repeat a task, ask, could I automate this? Explore the gallery, deconstruct shortcuts, and keep learning. As devices become more connected, your skills will only become more valuable. Build your first shortcut, share your experience, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, tap the subscribe button, give us a like, leave a comment with your favorite shortcut, and share this video with friends. Don't miss out on more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.